welcome to Tech with VI. This is the part 8th of learning HTML. In this video, I am going to discuss how to create links in HTML. Without much ado, let's get into the video. First, let's understand what is link. Links are allowing to connect one page to another page in website or web pages. Let's imagine one home. In that home, there are two bedrooms. Have you ever thought how that bedrooms are connected with each other? To connect something in any web pages or website, links are required. Let's understand some of the major types in links. In links, mainly there are two types. First one is absolute link, second one is relative links. Let's understand one by one. First one is absolute link. Absolute links are those links that links are having particular URL. For instance, google.com, github.com. These platforms are having their particular URL. In absolute link, again there are three types: active link, visited link, and unvisited link. Let's understand these three types. Active link. Active links are those links that links are not having any issue to open the link. That links are known as active link. Let's take a scenario. If you are navigating in any website or web pages, that time you are opening any link. While opening that link, if you are not facing any issue to open that link, then that link is known as active link. Second one is visited link. Visited links are those links that links we have visited several times. For instance, if you type in Google Chrome drive.google.com first time, again when you wanna open Drive, that time we never type entire URL. Simply if I press D and if I press enter, entire URL I will get. These links are known as visited link. And when we are opening that drive, that time it will suggest us you have visited this link so many times. These links are known as visited link. And last one is unvisited link. Unvisited links are those links that links we are about to visit. That links are known as unvisited link. Let's take another scenario. You are navigating any web pages or website. In that website, you want to download something. That time directly we are not visiting that link. First, we have to open the website. Then we have to go to that download page. Then we are about to visit that link. That links are known as unvisited link. Let's understand second type. Second type is relative links. Relative links are those links that links are not having particular URL. In relative links, what we have to do, we have to connect our own page. That links are known as visited link. For instance, I hope you have observed in some website, they have given some their own pages. For instance, contact us, about us. These links they have connected. In that links they have connected their own pages. That links are known as relative links. Friends, while creating links, two things are very important. First one is hyperlink and second one is hypertext. While inserting the hyperlink, we have to use the attribute called ref. Ref means hyperlink. Hyperlink will tell where URL wants to go. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. For instance, if I open anchor tag, and anchor tag will help to create links between the ref and equal to invited, between the invited commas, I have to give the particular URL. That will do by using ref. Before closing the anchor tag, we have to use the hypertext. Maybe you are thinking what is hypertext. Hypertext is very simple, friends. While you are downloading any software or files, that time you are getting some messages. For instance, when I was telling you to download VS Code, that time you are getting one message called download VS Code. What is download here? Download is known as hypertext. And these things are very important while creating links. Okay friends, I have discussed about so many things in links. Let's jump into the coding part. Now I'll tell you how to create links. I'm opening VS Code.
Link.html web develop link.html web develop
Here I have created the file and generated the boilerplate.
Unknown. Link.html dash web link.html dash web development dash Visual Studio Code document application main less slash body blank.
Okay friends, I am in blank line. To create links, we have to use the anchor tag. Here I am pressing A letter key.
A. Suggest list a comma property level 1.
I got anchor tag. I am pressing enter here.
Link.html comma preview editor as auto.
Friends, let's understand this code.
Less
A
warning
space.
space warning.
After space, we have to use the attribute called href. Ref will tell where URL wants to go. Here I am using that attribute href
href
equal to
equals
open the inverted comma.
quote.
Here we have to give the actual URL. How we have to give the URL? First we have to type https. Here I am typing https colon
https colon
slash www
dot
google.com.
google.com.
Okay friends, let's understand what stands for https and www. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Service, and www stands for I am willing you to know in the comment box and who has coined this term. After that, what we are typing www dot it's a page layer. After that, com means commercial. In some while typing any Gmail or anything, also you are getting gmail.com, outlook.com. These are all known as commercial. After that, we have to close the quotation
quote
and greater.
Here,
opening tag has ended.
Less.
Now, before closing the link anchor tag, we have to give the hypertext here. Before giving hypertext, let's run this code and check how it is working. I'm running the code.
Menu. Open with live server alt plus F. Link.html comma preview editor as autocomplete multi-line lesser f equals quote https colon slash www.google.com. Learning links in HTML dash Google Chrome window. Learning links in HTML. Blank.
Okay friends, I have given particular URL, but I am not able to navigate in this link. Why? Because I did not insert here hypertext.
Blank.
Now if I insert the hypertext, I am able to navigate. Let's insert the hypertext here.
Link.html less greater less slash less greater quote greater less slash a slash left greater quote less slash body lesser f line great a slash less greater less space less.
Friends, I am inserting on hypertext here. Go to Google.
GOOGLE 2 space GOOGLE space.
And finally here I am writing BR tag in the end of the tag.
Line feed B suggest BR comma property link.html comma preview edit.
Friends, now I am running this code.
Learning links in HTML. Learning links in HTML dash. Learning links in HTML. Link go to Google.
Now it is announcing link go to Google. Now here if I press the enter, I am able to navigate. I am pressing enter. Google will open.
Google document search landmark search combo box collapse as autocomplete multi-line editable blank.
Okay friends, now Google has opened. Whatever we want to search and browse here, we can do that. Again, I am going to live server by pressing Alt left arrow.
Learning links in HTML. Link go to Google.
Friends, now it is telling link go to Google. Let's understand how to open the link in a new tab. Now it has opened in live server only. Let's understand how to open the link in a new tab.
Link.html dash link greater BR great A less Google 2 go space greater quote greater.
Friends, in the opening tag, in the anchor tag, we have to use the attribute called target to open the link in a new tab.
Space.
Here I am using target attribute.
T. Suggest list of index target comma value level 1. Link dot suggest list line blank comma unit level. Link.html comma preview edit.
Okay friends, target has a particular value. Let's understand about this attribute.
Equals target quote space T. ARGET equals.
Target equal, open the inverted comma.
Quote.
And here we have to give the value called line blank.
Line
Symbol come with shift plus minus. After that we have to type blank, blank,
BLANK.
and close the quotation.
Quote.
Now let's open this link.
Learning links in HTML dash. Learning links in HTML. Visited link, go to Google.
Friends, now it is telling visited link. Why? For a while ago I have visited this link. Now I am pressing enter.
Google document. Search landmark. Search combo box select.
Friends, again Google has opened, but now I am navigating by pressing Alt left arrow. But here I am unable to navigate. Why? Because this link has not opened in the live server. If it had been opened in the live server, I am able to navigate. But now I am not able to navigate. Why? Because it has opened in the new tab. While navigating one tab to another tab, especially in Google Chrome, that time we have to use the shortcut key command called Control plus tab. Now I am pressing Control tab.
Learning links in HTML document. Visited link, go to Google. Learning links in H.
Friends, for your understanding, I am creating another link for Facebook.
Link.html less slash body greater. Less. Blank. A. Suggest list. Link. Quote.
Between the inverted commas, I am giving the URL.
HTTPS. HTTPS:// www.facebk quote dot com quote greater space T suggest list of index target link.html suggest list line link.html quote greater less space less.
Now friends, I am giving hypertext. Here I am giving open Facebook.
OPEN space FACEBOOK book space link.
And finally I am using BR tag here.
Line feed BR comma link.html comma preview.
Now friends, here also I have applied target attribute. Let's run this code.
Learning links in HTML. Visited link, go to Google. Link open Facebook. Link open Facebook.
Now it is telling link open Facebook. It means now I am about to visit this link. These links are known as unvisited link.
Visited link, go to Google.
Now it is telling visited link Google.
Link open Facebook.
It's not telling visited link open Facebook. Now I am pressing enter here.
Facebook and dash login or sign up document. Main landmark. Email address or phone number. Edit email.
Okay friends, Facebook has opened in the new tab, but now I am not able to sign in here. I am going to live server.
Google document. Learning links in HTML document. Visited link open Facebook. Learning links in HTML.
Friends, now we have understood about how to create links and how to open the link in a new tab.
Link.html.
Let's understand how to give the shortcut key commands for the any link.
Lesser f equals less body. Lesser f equals less. Error space.
Friends, to give the shortcut key commands for the any link, we have to use the attribute called access key. Access key attribute will help to open to insert the shortcut key commands.
Less.
I'll tell you how to insert the attribute here. This attribute we have to insert in the opening tag only. Here I am using less.
Error space error space.
Between these two space, we have to use the attribute called access key.
Suggest list access key comma value level link.html comma preview.
Okay, I got the attribute here.
Equals quote access key space error ACCESSKEY.
Access key equal to
Equals quote.
Between the inverted commas, we have to give here any letter. Now I am inserting this shortcut key for Google. Now I am giving here G letter.
G.
Now I have saved it. Let's run the code.
Learning links in HTML dash Google. Learning links in HTML. Visited link open Facebook. Visited link Alt plus G, go to Google.
Now it is telling visited link Alt plus G.
Visited link open Facebook.
Now my focus is in Facebook. Now I am pressing Alt G to open the Google. Let's see it will work or not.
Google document. Search landmark. Search combo box collapse as autocomplete multi-line editable.
Okay friends, I have pressed Alt plus G and Google has opened. Again I am going to live server.
Google learning links in HTML document.
Friends, we have understood about absolute links. Let's understand about relative links. How to create relative links.
Link.html. Link.h. Lesser f equals quote less slash lesser line less blank.
Friends, to create relative links, it's not a big task. We have to use same tag. I'm pressing A here.
A. Suggest list a comma proper link.h quote quote.
Between the inverted commas, what we have to do here, we have to give our own page. Now I have one own page in my same folder called web development. Between the inverted commas, first we have to write dot slash. Here I'm writing dot slash.
Dot slash suggest list index.html comma.
Okay, I got a suggestion called index.html. Now I am pressing here tab.
Link.html comma preview editor.
That's it, friends. And here we have to insert one hypertext.
L quote greater less space
Before closing the anchor tag. Here I'm writing
space less.
Click here.
C L I C K space H E R E E space.
And finally I'm using BR tag, end of the tag.
Line feed B suggest lit R BR comma link.html comma.
Okay friends, here I did not apply target or any shortcut key commands. Simply I have written my file name between the inverted commas.
Learning links in HTML. Learning links in HTML. Visited link alt plus G. Go to Google. Visited link open Facebook. Link click here. Link click here.
Now I am pressing enter here.
Link click here. Unknown. This is page. Hello world bang. Welcome to web development dot.
Okay friends, this file I have used in my earlier videos.
Hello world bang.
Maybe in first video. There I have written hello world, these things.
Learning links in HTML. Visited link click here.
Okay friends.
Link.html dash.
In this video I have discussed how to create links and some of the attributes, target and access key. These attributes I have discussed in this video. Friends, I hope you have understood this video. If you have understood what you have to do, you know that. Till then, keep learning and keep coding.
Learning.
Yeah.